Hey everyone! Are you ready to bake something truly delicious and incredibly good for you? Today, we're making a wholesome carrot oat bread that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. It's packed with flavor and nutrients. This recipe is super simple, even if you're new to baking. You'll love how moist and satisfying it is, without any guilt. Let's get started on this healthy treat. For this amazing bread, you'll need some pantry staples. Think rolled oats, whole wheat flour, grated carrots, and a touch of natural sweetener like maple syrup or honey. We'll also use eggs, a little oil, and some warm spices. These ingredients come together to create a bread that's rich in fiber and natural goodness. It's a fantastic way to sneak in those veggies. The process is wonderfully straightforward. First, combine your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Don't overmix. Pour your batter into a prepared loaf pan and bake until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely divine. Once cooled, slice into this comforting, wholesome bread. It's perfect on its own or with a smear of nut butter. This carrot oat bread is a delicious way to nourish your body and satisfy your sweet tooth. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Happy baking, everyone!